Hello, hello. So, coronavirus kind of has me getting creative since I can't really go outside. So, I built a few apps. This first one is Bet on Real Estate, otherwise known as Better. I bought a website domain called better.io. And so the premise is for anybody to basically bet on real estate houses for sale. So just a couple things to take a notice here. We have a recently added section, so these are all new properties that have come on the market, and you can place bets on. And then also on the hot listings section, these are bets that are having a lot of people bet on them, etc. When you scroll down, you can go to the map section and kind of see where some of these listings are, and then see some of the recent bets as well. I tried to build an incentive loop at the bottom. If someone had like an extra bet that they wanted to do on a certain house, they could submit a property. So they could put their email in, address, link, and then a description why they thought it was worth betting on. So we'll jump into one of these. This one, Orem Road, is a pretty hot one. A lot of people have been betting on it. So you can kind of see everybody's been making their bets. And there's three things that allow a bet to be placed. First, when you think it'll sell by. The second is the selling price that you think it'll go for, so the percent of what it sells for versus what it's currently listed at, and then your name, and then you can submit it. So I built some logic around like when it expires. For example, if it goes over the time that you thought it would sell by, the bet would technically be expired. Um, Other things may include, like if you click the photo, you can go to the actual listing. So for example, this one is on Zillow, and you can see some more photos of the listing as well. Then I can jump right back if I wanted to. I use Mixpanel to track my data analytics. So through here, I'm able to see kind of how the pages are being viewed, some of the top events being done, as well as some different funnels in terms of, for people who are visiting the homepage, are they funneling through the recently added section or the hot listing section? And then on the landing page, are they going to the betting site or to a specific other website? I built this through Bubble, so I use design grids here. I try to follow some of my designers that I have. They're incredible. We use 12 gutters, or 12 grids, and then 24 pixel gutters. This gives like a good margin and good spacing between each thing. I built this one before I had the gutters set correctly and grids, so you'll notice it's a little bit off in the middle here, but I think it turned out all right. And then this is kind of what the listing page looks like. And then some of the workflows that are done. For example, like when submitting the bet is clicked, we have sending an event to Mixpanel, animating buttons, creating a new bet, and then making changes to the listing, which is a thing being done. And then bringing them back to the home page. So that's number one. If you guys want to take a look at this, please do. It's a pretty fun game to play. Like if you've ever saw a mansion listed online, you're like, there's no way it's going to actually sell for that. You can add it on here and then make your bet and send it around to your friends. So anyways, thank you, and on to the next application.